Hey everyone, welcome back with another session of social studies. I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll start a new chapter, that is our environment. Now children, our Earth is a beautiful planet in the solar system. It is the only planet on which life exists. Now we see many things in our surroundings. They are living things like animals, birds, plants, or non-living things like soil, water, wood, all these things. Now these living and non-living things together form the environment. Together they form the environment. Okay, all these things. It's not about only living things, it's together living things as well as non-living things. Now the living things depend on many non-living things for their survival. Now see, animals and birds, they need air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. The same way, plants also need soil, air, water, and sunlight to grow. So thus we can conclude that both living and non-living things are dependent on each other. Now for instance, if you see, now soil helps in the growth of plants. And plants, on the other hand, give us food. So both are interrelated to each other, living things and non-living things. Okay. Now, so as all are interdependent to each other, so we should keep our environment clean and we should take care of the environment. Now, we can stay healthy only if our environment is clean. Dirt, filth, accumulated water, open drains, and sewage lines lead to the growth of disease-producing germs. Mosquitoes and other insects breed and spread diseases like malaria and dengue. So all these are very, very harmful. Alright, now as we are talking about keeping our surroundings clean, so we can keep our surroundings clean by simple steps if we follow them. The number one, if you see, always throw the household garbage in covered bins. Okay, it's very important to throw the garbage in the covered bins so that the animals, stray dogs, and like whatever things come up, so it doesn't get exposed. Okay, so it's better to keep it in the covered bins. Now, never spit or urinate or defecate at public places. So children, these are really very bad habits, and if we can control all these things, then it will be beneficial for us. There will be no spread of germs, so there will be like no diseases. So because of all these things, many like insects and mosquitoes breed and they spread diseases. So if we can stop all this, it will be very beneficial for us. Next, if we see like these plastics. Now, do not throw plastic bags, garbage or waste on streets, in drains or in water bodies. Yes, if we can just keep it in the bins and if we just dump them in some dump yard and all, so it will be easy. Okay, so next, another thing, that is afforestation. Now planting more and more trees will be very beneficial to us. Okay, along with this, another thing, that is use of paper bags. Now we must avoid all different kinds of plastic bags and we should start using the paper bags. So these are the different steps to keep our surroundings clean. So these are the basic steps that we can take, common things. Okay, so as we are discussing about the different different ways to keep our surroundings clean. So what is this waste? Now large quantities of waste are generated by all the living beings. Waste are materials which are no longer useful to us. Now these wastes harm our environment if not treated properly. And if we see, like there are two types of wastes. There are two types of waste. So first one, that is the biodegradable waste. Second one, that is the non-biodegradable wastes. Now, biodegradable, what are biodegradable waste? Now, biodegradable waste are a different household waste, like the leftover food, fruits, vegetable peels, paper, leaves, which rot easily and they get mixed with the soil. Okay, now these waste can be converted into compost and used as manures. So in this way, this will reduce the amount of garbage. Alright, now next if we see the non-biodegradable waste. Now non-biodegradable waste are very harmful for our environment. Now plastic goods, aluminium cans and foils, chemicals and paints. So basically they do not rot easily or get mixed with the soil. They take thousands of years to decompose. So such kind of wastes are called non-biodegradable wastes. Now one more thing, that these non-biodegradable wastes, these wastes can also be recycled. Okay, these wastes can be recycled. Now as I said, these non-biodegradable wastes, these are like very harmful for our environment. They block the drains and pollute the land and water bodies. Now many animals die when they eat plastics from the garbage dumps. So these wastes are really very harmful for us. Okay, so that's all we have in this session. So in the next session we will discuss about different types of waste disposal methods. So until the next time, bye bye.